batter for the fried fish in batter. I have 100 grams of flour and yeast or baking powder, white pepper and some salt and warm water. The seasoning, that's the peppers and salt, into the flour, and into the warm water you add the yeast. If you are using yeast, I'm adding half a teaspoon of yeast, and if you're using baking powder, add the baking powder into the flour. I prefer the yeast over the baking powder. Whisk the yeast into the warm water and mix into the flour. Of the batter should be dripping, and I'm going to leave this to rest for about 1 hour to allow the yeast to work on the flour. Our batter is now ready to use. The yeast has worked on the flour, it's a bit fermented and increased a little in volume. So I'm going to season the fish fillet with some salt and some pepper. Dip the seasoned fish fillet into the batter. Enjoy.